You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It is confusing because there are indeed different pronunciations in English. British English pronunciation and American English are different. So let's go through. British English pronounces it as imaginary. Imagine. A very short n, pretty much skipped. Re. It goes as in nri at the end. Imaginary, okay? Imaginary. That's British English. Now in American English, in the US as opposed to the UK, it's usually pronounced as imaginary. Imaginary, okay? So you have a ne sound that is really strong in American English. Imaginary or imaginary. British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.